Greetings everyone. This is the first in a series of videos showing you the best place to live, Hungry Mountain Ranch. Year-round, Jeff and I have found great joy in seasonal activities. In spring, gardening is atop of the list for me. It's healthy eating, physical exercise, and imbues a great sense of accomplishment. So let's get going. Here's my tractor, Workhorse, multi-purpose tool. 4x4 Kawasaki. It's little. Has a nice rack on the back with bungee cord for attaching detritus or whatever you got. A nice handy milk carton in the front for tools. Whatever you got, headphones and tape. And on the back here, a hitch for my little power wagon. And it's got a release so you can dump it. Super handy for all the garden detritus you pick up. So, here, one last look. I can get through all the openings in my gate, both over there and up above. I can go all the way around the yard, pick up whatever I need. It's wonderful. Hey, good morning. Out in the garden. I'm wearing this, I call it my girdle. It's to help support my back. I had back surgery, a fusion on my L5S1. I don't know. Let's see. Probably 2015. Anyway, handy dandy pruners. I always keep them in my back pocket, ready to go. And what we're going to do today is climb up on the ladder and clean out some of the nice nests that Patrick Hannigan makes up in Twistworks. They're just terrific birdhouses. He uses all scraps, and I try to put them all over. I'm addicted because I sit out on our porch and watch the birds in the evening. It's highly entertaining and kind of zen, puts you in a nice peaceful place. Okay, here we go, up the ladder. Okay, I've got grapevines all over the place. I haven't really pruned the back, but for today, I'm just going to cut off some of the tendrils and things away from the house. You probably haven't my time. Got this little half of a nail cut off from the tip, and puts in a hole right there so you can access the lift door and clean out the birdhouses. Oh, wow. This has been mostly used by swallows. Holy smokes. That's a lot of nest material right there. probably be wearing a mask. Alright, I'm not going to do a super job to get the vacuum out. Alright, so much for number one. Always have two hands for going down the ladder. Okay, besides pruning the grapes, I've got to get out here and clean out all the dead canes of the raspberries. You can tell them, they're just peeling and dead. No activity, no greenery on the end of the stick. I'm not sure if I'm focusing in on that. Whereas these have a nice orange glow and you can tell they're alive, they're heavier, not dried out. These have no systemic activity.
Drive the same roads every day. We both get there our own way. Thistle and an apple tree, how different two souls can be. But we both grow from the same sorrow. If we both know we'll be together tomorrow, I can be like a tree in the wind. Same old roots, but I can bend, turning to understand and sway together. Now it's almost like a dance, rendering of stubbornness, and it just cuts us deeper through the longer I'm away from you. Yeah, we fight good, we make love better if we both know we'll be together forever. I can be like the tree in the wind, same old roots, but I can bend, learning to understand and sway together. Nothing worth having comes to be.
So we have started the 2021 garden in the best place to live. It feels great to know that my husband, our two work campers, Martin and Robin, and I will be eating healthy organic produce soon. Follow along to see our progress and more tips and tools for gardening. I will also show you other activities happening in the ranch. Coming up in the future will be Hungry Mountain Ranch Wildlife with all things that walk, fly, and crawl.